you need real-time translation or transcription during phone calls or in-person meetings with people speaking different languages, or maybe you're like my husband who struggles with English as a second language and could use real-time translation when watching a movie or seeing a Broadway show, these TransAI G01 earbuds are amazing. I was sent these to review, so let's take a closer look and see all of the things they can do. Two-way voice conversation translation, video call translation, and phone call translation. What? Woo. Very, very cool unboxing here. Gorgeous packaging, very gift worthy. Here's your user's manual, your USB-C to USB charging cord. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up. No wall plug included, so you can use your own wall plug or plug it into your computer or your laptop. Go ahead and take this off. Plug it in here. Oh, never mind, it arrived 100%. No need to charge it. We'll just go ahead and get it set up. I love how compact they are. They just sit really flush. You could wear a hat on top of them, no worries. They are very secure the way they go around your ear. Very comfortable. Can't even tell I have them on, but they're gonna be translating phone calls or video chats, like whatever. Amazing. Just plop them in the case to charge them. From the case, yes, it's a charging case, so it's great for on the go. You'll get so much airtime. When the case and the earbuds are depleted, you just charge the case. This is an LCD display on the case, so you can go through, change your settings, and you can see the battery level right here on the case. They are really quick and easy to set up. You just download the free app, pair them via Bluetooth to your phone, and register your account. They do give you a bunch of free credits and a free trial, and there are different features for the basic versus pro, so keep that in mind. With the subscription, they will give you a dedicated phone number, and so if you make calls or take calls with that number, it's really easy to get the automatic translation real time during the call. You can go into the app and say what your language is and what the other person on the phone, their language is. There is a slight delay, but it can tell them that there's gonna be a delay, that you're using a translation service, so it's really cool. You can have it mute the original voice, or you can have it playing both, and then you'll have like kind of like a little bit of a delay, but it's super helpful. And you can also have it transcribing for you so you can read along on your phone. You can also do this for face-to-face conversations or listening in a meeting, at a movie, at a Broadway show, etc. You just go into the app and choose the correct setting, and it's gonna show you the original language voice transcribed, and then there will be a delay and it's gonna show you the translated into your language. It's so helpful. These are gonna work as regular, amazing sound quality earphones, and then also have the translation capability. This it's just so amazing, guys. Like, honestly, so cool. If you travel, if you're dealing day to day with people who are speaking different languages and having issues with communication, so helpful. Oh my gosh.